Pnawn da pawb, sut ydych chi? Wel, mae hi'n bwrw glaw heddiw. Dwi'n eitha drist achos mae hi'n bwrw glaw. I'm quite sad today because it's raining. We haven't had rain in ages, have we? Now, today, we're going to be doing something in maths that's called fact families. Now, I think some of us have done this in year 1. So this is for the older children in the class mainly, or some of my reception. So a fact family they're like a little group of numbers that have a special relationship. When you think now of your house, who lives in your house with you? So it might be mummy, daddy, your brother or your sister, or it might be your mum and your 3 sisters. You are a family, aren't you? And you've all got a special relationship. Well, we are going to be looking at addition and subtraction fact families. Now, in a fact family, there's usually 4 facts. Okay, we are going to be concentrating on addition and subtraction today. And I'm just going to explain to you now. I'm going to put some numbers. This should fit in my roof, but my roof isn't quite big enough. There we are. What numbers have I got? I've got 2, 5 and 3. Now we are going to make a number fact with these numbers. So what number fact could we make? Well, we know that if we do an addition sum, an adding up sum, the biggest number is always going to go at the end. So the first thing we need to do with these numbers is put them in order of size, from the smallest number, the least amount, to the greatest amount. The smallest number to the biggest number. So 2, 3 and 5. So the biggest number that I've got is number 5. So at the end of my adding up sums, I'm going to put the 5 both times. 5, 5. Okay, so I'm going to bring some numeric on in now. There we go. That's that one, isn't it? So I've used that number. Now, all I need to do simply is to put this number in that box, this number in this box. So 2 add 3 makes 5. Do we agree? Let's try it out. I'm going to use some Numicon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 5. And we can do it like this, can we, in class? We fit them on top. 2 add 3 makes 5. So 2 add 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm going to use those exact same numbers to write another fact. Now, I've already got the 5, so I don't need that one. Now, I can't put the 2 there because I put it first there, haven't I? So I'm going to put the 2 there because I'm going to do a switcheroo sum. I'm just going to switch them around. So where's this number 3 going? In this box. So 2 add 3 makes 5. 3 add 2 makes 5. They're number bonds, aren't they? But this one now, I've got to use these 3 numbers again, but I've got to do a takeaway sum. Now, we have worked out, when we've done takeaway sums, we need the biggest number in that first box, don't we? So which is the biggest number out of these? Number 5. So I'm going to put number 5 there, and then I'm going to choose one of these 2 numbers. Because I've used this one, I'm going to choose 3. 5 take away 3 equals, what did it equal? It equals 2. There we go. Now then, I know once again the 5 has got to go there because we take away from the biggest number. The 5 is going there. And I've already had the 3 first. So now I'm going to do a switcheroo. And I'm going to have the 2 first. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Now, when we do that as a sum, do it like this first. 5 fingers. How many are we going to take away? We're going to take away 3. So put down 3 fingers. How many fingers are up? 1, 2. Put 5 fingers again. This time we're going to take down 2 fingers. How many fingers are left up? 1, 2, 3. I always do it as describing eating sweets, don't I? Because Mr. Richards loves sweets. With a Numicon, we can do it like this. So there's our 5, and we're going to take 3 of those red ones away. How many red ones are left? Just 2. This time, How many red ones am I going to take away? 2. How many red ones are left? 1, 2, 3. Now, we're going to try that with some other numbers. We're just going to use numbers up to 10. Okay. And I've got another sheet ready. So I'm going to choose 3 numbers. There we go. I've got 2, 6 and 4. Now these 3 numbers have got a special relationship. They're in a family together, aren't they? What did we do first? We have to put them in order of size from the smallest number. Well, when I count to 10, 1, 2, 3. Oh, which number have I said? I said 2 first. 1, 2, 3. Do I say 6 or 4 next? 4. So there's our numbers in the order of size. Now remember, when we do our adding ups, the biggest number is going to come at the end of the equals, isn't it? So the biggest number out of these 3 is number 6. So I'm going to fill in those spaces straight away because I know those. I'm going to turn that over. So now I'm going to have 2 add 4 equals 6. Then I'm going to switcheroo. I'm going to switch them around. 4 add 2 equals 6. Now what was our trick when we did the takeaways? We know that the biggest number comes first in our takeaway sums, don't we? So we're going to put the 6 there ready. There we go. We've used that one. And now 6 take away 2 equals 4. Switcheroo. 6 take away 4 equals 2. Should we try it? Put up 6 fingers with my little thumb there and put down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many's left? 2. Now then, put up 6 fingers again and you're going to put down 2 this time. 1, 2. How many's left? 4. So we were right for those, weren't we? Let's try another one then, because we are on a roll. I'm going to bring in 9, 4 and 5. So the first thing I've got to do, I've got to put them in order of size, haven't I? So if we count to 10, and we're going to think about which number we say first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 must be last, isn't it? So what do we remember? What do we know straight away? That the biggest number in an adding up sum is going to be at the end. So I'm going to fill in that 9 straight away. So I've used that one. And I can just keep my numbers like this now, can't I? 4 add 5 equals 9. Switcheroo. 5 add 4 equals 9. Now this time, for our takeaway sums, we know that that number 9 has got to go first. Okay, so come in with number 9. Take away 5 equals 4. Switcheroo. Oh, I didn't fill my 9 in. 9 take away 4 equals 5. There's our fact families. So my challenge to you is to try some of those number bonds to 10. So numbers that stick together to make 10, and try the fact families for them. So it could be 2, let's go through. 0 add 10, 9 add 1, 8 add 2, 7 add 3, Miss Richard's going the wrong way then, 6 add 4, 5 add 5, 4 add 6, 3 add 7, 2 add 8, 1 add 9, 0 and 10. I usually do them the other way around in class, and Mr. Richard's brain then went to mush. So I would love to see any things you do with our addition and subtraction fact families. Take care, hwyl fawr, see you soon. Bye bye.